You chased me away from Uganda.
Yes.
You people of Uganda, you chased me away, but you know
The
what?
people of Uganda didn't chase
It's
you
okay.
away.
I'm with my son here. Look at him. Hello, people of Uganda. You see, you guys chased me away from Uganda, but it's okay. I'm back home. I'm happy. And me, I'm with my son here, Palazzo.
Yes.
And there was a little problem about my son, Palazzo, but you know what? On behalf of what happened, I want to say I'm sorry, but Palazzo is here with Mama. Where are you?
Yes.
In Soweto.
Play, my
Where
son.
are you?
Webale
Nyo msiwe mtia abantu abarungi
abalungi mama wange chaka oli mama wange
mama wo mama wo
hey, yeah. Yes, and this is where she grew up, and
home.
she was born here. So good. You know, I grew up. We like I was telling you, we grew up learning about Soweto, and we hear in